In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to spot an Etsy scam easily. Shopping on Etsy can be a delightful experience full of unique, handmade, and vintage treasures. However, as with any online marketplace, it's essential to be vigilant and savvy to avoid potential scams. Let's dive into some key things to watch out for to ensure you have a safe shopping experience. First, one major red flag to watch for is prices that seem too good to be true. If you're browsing around and stumble upon a handmade leather bag, for example, priced at just $10, you might want to take a closer look. This price is considerably lower than what similar items typically cost, indicating it could very well be a scam. Quality products come with a fair price, so it's wise to be cautious when a deal appears to be significantly cheaper than usual. Another important aspect to examine is the product photos. Scammers often use stolen or fake images to advertise their goods. If the images look too polished, like stock images, or if there's inconsistent lighting and styles across different photos, this might be a clue. To verify an image's authenticity, you can perform a reverse image search on Google. This tool helps you see if the photos are being used on other sites, possibly under different products or sellers. Reviews can be a valuable indicator of a shop's reliability. Be particularly wary of new shops with no reviews or shops boasting an abundance of 5-star reviews that are written in broken English. If all these reviews were posted around the same time, this is another strong sign they could be fake. Authentic reviews will generally vary in detail and timing, giving you a well-rounded perspective on the seller's reputation. Communication with the seller is another area where signs of scamming might arise. Beware of copy-paste descriptions that feel generic or have been used in multiple other listings. Pay attention to if the seller provides no tracking information or if the shipping info seems dubious. Genuine sellers will offer detailed and consistent responses to your inquiries. Watch out for shops that claim to have just launched yet offer dozens of items. This could suggest they quickly set up a store with countless listings without earning a reputation first. Also, if they ask for personal information outside of Etsy, it's a strong signal that you should cease any further engagement. To protect yourself, always use Etsy's checkout system to make payments. This protects your financial information and ensures a safer transaction. Take the time to read seller reviews carefully, as this insight is crucial in discerning the seller's legitimacy. Lastly, utilize Etsy's purchase protection, which ensures that you receive a refund if the item doesn't arrive or isn't as described. By keeping these tips in mind, you can better navigate Etsy with confidence and security. Enjoy your shopping while staying aware, and you'll be well on your way to discovering all the wonderful items Etsy has to offer safely and securely.